What's up guys, today I'll be making this scrap wood cart that I found with free plans. I'll leave a link in the description below. In case you didn't notice, my method of joinery was glue, brad nails, and screws. I used 1 1/4 inch brad nails and screws. Alright, since I used 5/8 wood, it left me with a little extra here. So I went ahead and cut that off at this point. When it came time to put the bottom on, I simply put it where it looked good and traced around it, giving myself a good idea where to pre-drill the holes. The wheels I got at Harbor Freight for $5 each, and the sheet of plywood cost about $30. And presto! The wood looks so much better organized this way. I could easily see what I have at a single glance. And let's not forget about the back, where I added a ledge to put the larger pieces. Alright, let's see how it fits. And would you look at that? It's like it was meant to be. Thanks again to the YouTube channel Make Everything and this brand new track saw that made it possible. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with some friends. Have happy builds!